Alright guys, 2020 Mercedes Benz GLE350. We're gonna replace the air cabin filter. So you need to go under the hood right here, open the hood. The air filter is gonna be right here. Okay, so as you see, you need to unlock this one and this one and take that off, just like that. The air filter, the cabin air filter, is gonna be here. Push this tab down, the other one down. Be careful about the cable, and here, just slide it right off. That was a quick guide on how to replace the air cabin filter on 2020 Mercedes Benz GLE350. Put this one back in there. Let me see, right there. I'm holding the camera. There you go. Like this one, like this one. That is it. 2020 Mercedes Benz GLE350 air cabin filter replacement. Thank you guys for watching.